Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ahmed, and today on our food adventure, we're making poha. Now, poha is literally flattened rice, and today we're making aloo poha. It's also known as batata poha or kanda poha, which just means potatoes and onions are added to it. Now, this is a delicious meal served typically for breakfast, but you could also have it as a snack. Now, because I hail from Mumbai, I'm making a very traditional Maharashtrian version of this delicious dish. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed and also do ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's start making this delicious dish. Let's start with the poha. This is rice that has been flattened. Now look at the great texture on this. I have 2 cups here, and I'm just going to run this under cold water for about a minute, and I'm going to allow it to drain. This is going to hydrate the grains. You do not need to soak them. While the poha is draining, I'm going to get some oil heating up so I can cook my potatoes. I have about 2 cups here of peeled and cubed potatoes, and I want to cook them until they are nice and crispy. Some people prefer to just boil their potatoes and add them in. It certainly is healthier, but I prefer to have the crunch of the fried potato. Once these are nice and golden brown, I'm going to pull these out of the oil and I'm going to leave them aside. Next, I'm going to saute 1 cup of finely diced onion. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sliced green chili for a little bit of a kick. Peanuts add great crunch and texture to the poha, so I'm going to add a 1/4 cup in and allow it to roast. Add some salt. This is really going to help the onions sweat faster. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I'm going to mix that in. I'm also going to follow with some powdered spices. I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and a 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix this all together, and before the spices start to burn, I'm going to tip in all of the poha. Mix this well so that the rice picks up all of the spices. This is looking great, but I just realized that I missed out a key ingredient. Better late than never. So I'm going to add this now. I have about 10 curry leaves here, and I'm just going to make some space in the pan and I'm going to add them in. I'm also going to add all of the cooked potato back in, and I'm going to taste for salt. Finally, add about a 1/2 cup of coriander, and this is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. It's gluten-free as well as it's vegetarian, and it will kickstart your day. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, guys, and I hope that you can help me get there. Also, ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. And the fun doesn't stop there. Follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, happy eating and take care. Bye.